the Ocelot GF03 golf cart tire, the ultimate solution for all your golf cart adventures. Designed for versatility, durability, and superior performance, this multi-terrain tire is your key to conquering any environment. Comprised of a 4-ply construction, the GF03 is built to last the harshest elements and offer dependable performance for years to come. Whether you're navigating the streets of your local community or powering through rugged off-road trails, this tire delivers unmatched reliability. Engineered as an all-terrain tire, the Ocelot GF03 features a non-directional tread pattern with a 16 mm tread depth. Running down the center is a tightly packed zigzag pattern that provides a smooth and quiet ride. The tread placement combined with the non-directional pattern ensures consistent performance and reliable steering on hard terrain. Over on the shoulders, the arrowhead lugs help deliver additional traction points in tough or soft terrain while also holding their shape when turning for stable handling. As an all-terrain tire, the GF03 has taller sidewalls than a low-profile tire. This design offers a cushier ride and is more forgiving on bumpier trails. This golf cart tire is available in a variety of sizes from a 22 by 11/10 to a 23 by 10.5/12. With its off-road styling and larger sizing, this tire is perfect for club car, Yamaha, Easy Go, or other golf carts that have lift kits on them. From steep slopes to wet grass, the superior grip and traction of the Ocelot GF03 golf cart tire provides great control and a confident ride. You can rely on the advanced tread pattern to keep you moving in the messiest conditions, while also adding some off-road styling to your golf cart. Thanks for watching and ride safe.